Hi Rachel, it's Tracy. I need your advice. Oh hey Tracy, sure, I can try to help. So yesterday, my mom kept going on and on about how she really wants me to come down for Christmas. But I told her we're in the middle of a pandemic and it's kind of dangerous to do that. And she said, oh, but we miss you, we haven't seen you in a while. And I said, I know that, Mom, and I miss you guys too. But I do have to think about not only my health, but also your health. And then I was like, oh my gosh, Tracy, can you please just cut to the chase? Okay. To cut to the chase means to stop wasting time and get to the point already. To tell someone what it is that you really want to tell them. Rachel asked Tracy to cut to the chase because Tracy kept going on and on without actually asking for Rachel's advice. So Rachel was starting to get impatient. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you would like to see more videos on English idioms, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.